Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stream on TikTok using your PC. First, open your web browser and search for TikTok Live Studio. Download the installer from TikTok's official site. When the download is complete, run the installer and follow the steps to install the program on your computer. After installation, open TikTok Live Studio. Log in with your TikTok account. You can log in using your TikTok username and password or by scanning the QR code with the TikTok mobile app. Once you are logged in, you will see the Live Studio dashboard. Here you can set up your live stream. On the left side, you will find your sources. Click Add Source if you want to capture your screen, your game window, or your webcam. You can also add images, text, or background music. Arrange these sources in the preview window until you are happy with how it looks. Next, go to the Settings menu. Choose your camera, microphone, and sound input. You can also adjust video quality, resolution, and bite rate depending on your internet speed. When your setup is ready, click the Go Live button in the bottom right corner. A window will appear asking you to set your live title, cover image, and category. Fill these in, then confirm. Your stream will now be live on TikTok directly from your PC. Thanks for watching.